Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to break down a section of code that's essential for creating a clean and functional navigation bar. We'll explore how different tag names and class names come together to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. Let's dive in. We start with the header tag, which defines the top section of a web page. This is where you typically find your navigation bar and branding elements. Within the header tag, we have the nav tag, which plays a crucial role in creating the navigation menu for the website. The nav tag is given the class name navbar. This class is generally used to style and structure the navigation bar, ensuring it's both visually appealing and functional. Inside this nav tag, we find a div tag with a class header container. The header container class acts as a wrapper that helps organize all the header elements, giving them a cleaner structure. Now, within the header container, we have an anchor tag with the class brand. This anchor tag is often used to link back to the homepage or represent the brand's logo. In this case, it contains an SVG tag, which is used for vector graphics. The SVG code defines the paths that create the logo, including different fill and clip path elements, making it scalable and crisp across all devices. Next to the brand, we see another div tag with the class burger. This div tag is used for the hamburger menu icon, which is a popular design pattern for mobile navigation. Inside this burger div, there's another div tag with the class burger line wrapper, which holds multiple span tags. These span tags represent the lines of the hamburger menu icon. Each span tag has the class burger line, which is used to style and animate the lines, especially when the menu is open or closed. Below the burger div, we have another div tag with the class menu. This div tag contains the main menu and several child elements. Inside the menu div, there's a div tag with the class burger is active close menu. This class combination helps toggle the active state of the hamburger icon, showing that the menu is open. It reuses the structure from the previous burger icon, but adds the IsActive class to signal the change. Inside the menu, we also find an unordered list UL tag with the class menuinner. This list holds several list items LE tags representing different menu options. Each LE tag contains an anchor tag with the class menu link. These anchor tags are used to create clickable links that navigate users to different sections or pages of the website, like equipment, about us, or blog. Moving on, we have a div tag with the class menu block. This section is typically reserved for special elements like an account link or call to action button. Inside this menu block, there's an anchor tag with the class menu block link. This link includes an icon, likely from a font icon library such as BXBX user circle, along with the text account, allowing users to navigate to their account or profile page. Lastly, we come to a div tag with the class header backdrop. This div tag is used for background effects, such as dimming the background when the menu is open or providing a visual backdrop for the header section. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how each tag and class plays a role in structuring and styling the navigation bar. I hope this breakdown helps you in your web development projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.